So now that I've finished my face, I'm gonna move on to the arms because all I have to do, notice how this is symmetrical, so it's the same on both sides. So all I have to do is once I make one, I can just copy and paste all of that and then just move it right over here. Same thing with the legs, okay? So to get started, what we're going to do is I'm gonna make this rectangle here first, the one that's in the shoulder or that makes up the arm. So if we look up here, I'm gonna work on this rectangle first, and then we're gonna make our 2 circles for the shoulders, and then we'll copy and paste that and shrink it down to make it the hand, okay? So first things first, let's go ahead, grab our rectangle tool. I'm gonna make my rectangle right here like so. From there, I'm gonna select my ellipse tool. I'm gonna then go ahead and make my circle here. I'm gonna make it about that size. And I'm gonna position this about here, okay? Now again, if we look up here, the bottom circle is white and then the top circle is maroon. So once I have this circle here done, what I'm gonna do is actually just hit Command C and Command V, and that's gonna give me another circle. From there, what I'm going to do, just like what we did with these eyes and these circles, is I'm going to grab my, with the circle selected, I'm going to grab the eyedropper tool. And then I'm just going to click on this maroon background here. Now, all you're going to see is this blue outline because the circle is now the same color as the background. I'm going to grab my selection tool. I'm going to grab this corner, just shrink it down a little bit, make sure that you still see those crosshairs so you know that it's a perfect circle. Once you have that circle made, we can go ahead and position it right in the middle of this other circle here, like so. Now that I have this done, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to select. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag the top half of this. So I only have these 2 circles. So what I'm going to do is once I have this white circle and this maroon circle selected, I'm going to hit Command C and Command V to copy and paste. Once I've pasted that circle, I'm going to move it down here again. I'm then going to just select this outside circle, so the white circle. I'm going to shrink that just a little bit to fit inside of the hand circle, like so. And there we have our right hand. Now I need to make this a little bit bigger so I don't see those dotted lines anymore. And that's how we make the arm. Now notice how this is the exact same thing over here. What I'm going to do is just click, hold, and drag to select this whole section. I'm going to hit Command C and Command V as in Victor. So I copy and paste, and now I can drag that over on my other side. Again, I can use my arrow keys on my keyboard just to move that right into position. And that's how you make the arms.